In this video, I'll demonstrate how to convert your videos to text or transcribe them for free using Riverside FM, a podcasting tool. If you're interested in an in-depth tutorial on this tool, I've already created a video that I'll link in the description below. To begin, click the first link in the description, which will take you to the website. Next, go to the product option and select the transcribing feature. Click on Transcribe Now, upload the video you want to transcribe, select its language, and choose the type of video, like podcast, interview, webinar, or video content. Since this is video content, I'll select that option, check the box saying I'm a human, and click Start Transcribing. The tool will take some time to upload and transcribe the file. Once finished, you can copy the transcription by clicking Copy to Clipboard. Additionally, you can download it in TXT format by clicking Download and selecting Transcript. If you prefer Captions, download the file in SRT format by selecting Captions instead. This tool helps you create captions as well for your videos completely for free. That's it. Remember to check out the detailed tutorial I mentioned earlier, linked in the description. If you're interested in learning how to generate timestamps for your videos for free, click on the video appearing on your screen. If this video has been helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.